Hey everybody, today we are talking about lights. Specifically, we are talking about this light. I know it doesn't look like a light, but believe me, this is going to blow your mind. Now, people send me tools all the time to test out, and most of the time, they're a bit iffy. But this right here, this is incredible. So first of all, it comes with a tripod. You press this button right on the bottom, comes right out. Check this out. You twist this right here. Goes up, twist it back. Twist it right back. Now check this out. This is standing right about 5 feet tall at the very top of it. Now let's take a look at this light right here. It comes out, 2 and 3, but that's not all. These actually twist, so you can face them really whatever direction you want them to go in. They're pretty omnidirectional. Here we go. There we go. You can see, you can twist it, you can make them face down, you can do really whatever you want to do with them. But you get the idea, right? It pretty much does whatever you want it to do. Now, this not only is pretty cool in design, just with how it works, this is all aluminum construction. It is actually pretty fantastic. The tripod is fantastic. The light itself is fantastic. Now the light actually does come off. Now check this out. Right there. Look how big those threads are. Now typically what you see with tripods, it'll be just like a camera, a typical camera mount screw on top of it, but that's big, and this is nice. So this is aluminum. This is plastic construction here, but this is aluminum. Now, a couple things about this light. It does have a hook built into the bottom of it. You can pull the hook out so you can hang it, which that's really cool. That turns around. You do have 3 neodymium magnets, or rare earth magnets, so they're really strong, which is really good. Now this is compact. It's compact in general, but this right here you can just throw in your bag. You can use it as a lantern if you really want to. Let's turn this thing on. So you have your power here. You can see it's all on. If you hit this button right here, it changes the color of it. Now this has 2 different color settings. This is 4000K and this is 6500K. Now it has a couple different power settings too, right? So check this out. This is 500 lumens. This is 1500 lumens. This is 2500 lumens. Look how bright this is. This is awesome. Now you can change the color like I said before. Now it's a bit different. This is a little easier on the eyes if you ask me. But we're going to leave it on this right here. Now we're going to show you, say a little easier. It is chargeable by USB-C, which is really good. Now the light, this is kind of interesting. It has a pretty incredible light. Now you can't change out the battery on this, but what you can do is you can recharge it, and that's with any USB-C that you have. I'm sorry, with USB-C. It's a 5 volt, I believe, amp. That's all you need, or half amp, to charge this. It just depends on how long it's going to charge, but it's very typical. So you don't need any special chargers. Now, what should you expect on the runtime with this? This right here is going to last you 20 hours. This right here is going to last you 10 hours. And if you have it on the highest setting, that's going to last 5 hours. Now, that is actually really impressive. Then you got to charge it. But it's going to take a little while to charge it too. But none the matter, you can just leave it on overnight and it's going to charge it. Okay, so I've turned off every other light in the house. Look how bright this is. This is absolutely insane. I can't believe just how even the light is, how nice it is. And just look at the wall. You can see everything about it. Let me change the color on it. So that changed the whole look and feel of the room. And whenever you're painting, that's a big deal because you want to put natural light, which is that lower number in there, that 4000 number, so that it looks more like what you're going to see after you paint a room, or it just gives a warmer feel to it. Okay, so I'm showing you the entire room. Look how well it actually lights it up. I gotta say, I don't know if this was going to become my go-to light, but it is pretty close to becoming that light. The portability of it, the affordability of it, and the ability to light things up, it's blinding me right now. I am super satisfied with this. I hope that you all hit the link down below. Go check this out. Maybe it's something that you're interested in. I really appreciate everybody watching the video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care.